Ji. Good morning, my dear lovely children. Today we will do our next chapter of GK, that is sound of animals, or simply say animal sound. As you clearly saw in the video, first picture is of horse. Yes, now I will play the video how horse produce their sound. After listening the sound, I will tell you the name of that sound. Yes, I hope you have watched. Now it's turn for second figure, that is of duck. How duck produce sound? Check out the video. Yes, I hope everyone saw that video. Now third figure is of bat. How bat produce sound? Check out again this video. After listening the video, I will tell you the how sound produced by bat. Yes, now it's turn for frog. How frog produce sound? Listen the video. Yes, now it turns for fifth figure, that is of rat. How rat produce sound? Again check out the video. Yes, after that the picture is of sheep. How sheep produce sound? Again check out the video. Yes, now it's time for snake. How snake produce sound? Yes, listen the video.
Snake. I am a snake. What do I say?
Yes, now it's time for owl. Yes, again listening the video. Yes, at last watch elephant. How elephant produce sound? Listen the video. Now you have completely watched all the animal sound. Now I will tell you the name. Although I already write the name in the video, but again I am giving you the name of the animal sound. Yes, first one is horse and its produced sound name is neigh, N-E-I-G-H. Then after that, second picture is of duck. It produces sound quack, Q-U-A-C-K. Third figure is of bat. Bat produce sound screech, S-C-R-E-A-C-H. And the name is given also in the clue box. Now fourth is frog. Frog produce sound like croak. Spelling given in the clue, C-R-O-A-K. After that, 5. Rat produce sound squeak, S-Q-U-E-A-K. After 6 number is sheep. Sheep produce sound bleat, B-L-E-A-T. After that, snake, it produce sound hiss, H-I-S-S. Then 8 it produced sound hoot, H-O-O-T. After that, ninth elephant, it produced sound trumpet, T-R-U-M-P-E-T. That's it for today's. Yes, students, if you like that video, please like the button and also subscribe my channel. Yes, thank you class. Thank you very much.